This video will show you how to calculate the number of floor joists needed for a floor or a deck. It is based upon the calculator at vcalc.com. The link for that calculator will be in the first comment. Once you go to that link, you'll see that there's a handful of input parameters. It's a simple calculation for the length or the span and the width, and then a spacing for how far apart each of the joists are. As with all calculators in VCalc, you could choose different units if you wish, but we'll stick with feet for the length and width and inches for the span. It has a default of 16 inches, but you can override that to something else. So if you want 12-inch centers, you can do that. So basically all you then do is put in the width, and we'll say it is, in this example, 16 feet, and we'll say the length is 13 feet. What it does is it gives you a estimation on how many boards you will need. In this case, 20 boards that are 14 foot long. For example, 2 by 12. Again, use engineering specifications, whatever your local ordinances require or building codes. It will tell you the total board feet, and it will tell you how many joist ties, joist hangers you will need for the end. As with all calculators in VCalc, you can share the result. You can put it in an email and give yourself some notes and send it to you if you want it that way, or you can just use the values as they show up here. And again, this is one of many calculators related to construction in VCalc. If you want to compute the joists overlapping a beam, you can click on this image below and it'll take you to that calculator. It's a little bit more involved. But again, all these calculators are free and online at vcalc.com. Thank you very much.